Running a business on a single internet line is risky. One outage means lost sales and frustrated employees. The TP-Link TL-R470 Plus solves this with dual WAN load balancing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. What you'll need and first connection. Before we start, make sure you have 2 active internet connections. These can be cable, fiber, DSL, or even a 4G LTE modem. Connect your primary ISP to WAN 1 and your secondary to WAN 2. Now connect your computer or laptop to any LAN port. Step 2. Log in to Load Balance Router. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address. The default is usually 192.168.0.1. The default username and password are both admin, all lowercase. Type username and password and press Login button. Step 3. Configure both WAN ports. Now navigate to Network and then WAN option. Under WAN mode, choose number of WAN port 2 and save settings. WAN 1 will be primary internet and WAN 2 backup internet. Now go to WAN 1 tab and provide internet settings as per your ISP. First, select connection type from dynamic IP, static or PPPoE. If your internet type static, choose static IP and provide IP address, subnet mask, and gateway and DNS server. If internet type PPPoE, provide username and password and save settings. Now go to WAN 2. Choose connection type and provide internet settings. If your internet type PPPoE, select PPPoE and provide username and password provided by your ISP and save settings. Step 4. Enable load balancing and failover. Now go to transmission, then load balance, and open basic configuration. Check the box that says Enable Load Balance. Without this, link backup and policy routing won't work properly. Under Basic Settings, enable Application Optimized Routing and press Save button. Now go to Link Backup tab. Press Add button to select primary and backup internet line. Select primary WAN 1 and backup WAN 2. Choose Mode Failover. Enable status and press OK button. Now failover enabled in your router means if your primary internet goes down, that means backup line will be active without downtime. That's it. Your TL-R470 Plus is now configured for load balancing and failover. No more worrying about internet outages. Your business stays connected. If this video helped you to fix your internet downtime issue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more advanced feature configuration. Thanks for watching.